Okay, so what I'm going to end up doing is, I got this little Flex Mini and this Flex, and it just kind of setting up here, and I really need to organize that a little bit better. So how am I going to do that? Okay, so I wanted to get a little bit more organized with my switches, so I decided to get a mini rack. So I'm going to put this thing together and see if I can organize that a little bit better. So originally I was going to 3D print this, but I'm kind of glad I bought it instead. It has this nice little like side case. Seems pretty solid. And these little racks here that are pretty solid as well. Yeah, another thing that I like is that all this stuff comes individually wrapped. So I don't have to sit there and try to figure out like what screws. They're labeled and they're like individually in their packages, which is really nice. Okay, so actually got this put together, pretty solid, really nice. And then it does come with these metal shelves and stuff like that, but they're not going to fit my needs, so I'm going to 3D print what I need. Okay, so one of the things that I'm 3D printing here is a holder for my switch. So basically, I have this switch here, and I kind of want to mount on the rack. Now, I could set on one of those metal ones, but I kind of want it to kind of fit in and kind of look nice. So I just went ahead and 3D printed it, and I think it's going to look good. Okay, so this is what I ended up printing. And then here it is, and all it does is just kind of slides in here and snaps in place. And then you can tell when we mount it, it's going to sit there and kind of like look nice. So overall, like I am really happy with this, mount right here. I'm talking about, I think it is pretty solid. And I'm glad that I bought this instead of 3D printing it because this is pretty solid. But I do want to 3D print some of the stuff to kind of customize it a little bit. Alright, so the next thing we're doing is I do have this DGX Spark, which I really like. It just kind of sits there, but that'd be another thing that'd be kind of nice to have on the rack. Alright, so the next thing we have is I do have this DGX Spark, and I really love my Spark. But it just kind of sits, downstairs, doesn't really do anything. But since I'm creating a rack, I felt that it would probably be time to actually build that out. And then actually I can put it in my mini rack, and I think it would actually look really nice and kind of keep things a little bit organized. So when it's done printing, I basically printed this right here, which again, looks kind of nice. And then, my Spark will just kind of slide in here. And then kind of fit right there in place. So that's going to look really nice on that mini rack. Okay, so if you look at this, we got a rack set up. Looks really nice. Got the Wi-Fi on top, and then we got our two switches, and we got the DGX Spark for some AI work. And I think it really cleaned up that area, so it looks a lot nicer than everything just hanging around. So I think the mini rack is a win. What do you guys think?